just sorting out these big tall Leylandis, and we've got a winch cable, chains down there, cut in with the Johnson head, and we've got a winch line, and the tractor's arse end is dug in up in the field there. There's a power line up there and someone's house, so we don't want this one to go wrong. Looking like he's using all of that 20-inch bar. It's a fair old size stick. Another night down here, having fun. Got a big fire going, and dragging a tree on the back of the tractor. Tidy up night tonight, no trees coming down, just tidying up what we've already cut. Assuming he wants me to drop it as close to the fire as possible. Hi everyone, it's Richard here. Just a really quick video. We've been felling these Leylandis and they're fairly sizable. That's like probably 60-70 centimetres across. Anyway, there's a whole line of them up here, and our bonfire's like way over there behind those trees, like a field away. So I just want to show a quick roping technique. It's probably not for the very experienced foresters and art guys, they probably already know all of this. But if you are confronted, we had a couple of big, that one was quite a big butt that we wanted to save for the sawmill. So this is the little roping technique that an old forester showed me. So we had to delimb a few of the branches and drag it in 3 sections because it was too big for my little 4-ton tractor. It's quite a slope pulling up over there, and if the tree rolls over on the slope when you're dragging it, it can be a bit problematic. So anyway, little roping technique. So I've hitched my rope on here, just shackled it up, and then I've used basic hitches all the way on all of these branches, and what that does is, as long as the hitch comes over the top of the branch, so this bit of the rope here, as you can see, it comes over the top of the branch, it will bite in tight, and then I don't have to come back for multiple runs, and I can hitch all of these branches together in one go. That's the theory anyway. Hopefully it'll work. Right, I've got all those hitches on multiple small branches attached, so let's give it a go. Well, it did work, but I didn't give myself enough turning space. The rope was so long that I wouldn't have... My turning post, which is that beech tree down there for the bigger stems, was just too long, the train, so I had to shorten it. I hooked it into the middle, and then I used a winch just to pull it all together, and then hitched it up, and now we're off. Anyway, those little timber hitches really freaking easy to do, and they make your life a lot easier. So I hope it helps someone anyway. So we've definitely spent a bit longer on this job than we expected, and have gone over budget a little bit, but even though it's Leylandy, definitely waste not, want not. There's some decent fencing stakes here, there's some gate posts, there's even a couple of big milling logs that are, you know, half a metre, 70 centimetres across at least. And so we decided to save them as a rake of firewood here as well. I know it's Leylandy, I hate conifer, it's so snaggy and horrible to work with. But anyway, we've saved it all, and well, we've saved the good stuff anyway. Everything else has gone on the fire, but it has taken us a bit longer. But we've got some decent poles and fencing stakes and a few little milling logs. So yeah, I'm pleased with what's come out of it. It's good. I'm glad we saved it.